Good morning everyone. Yesterday we started our lesson 7 Coorg by Lokesh Abrol, in which we came to know that Coorg, it is a coastal town which is situated between Mysore and Mangalore. Then we came to know about why it is famous. It is famous for the evergreen rainforest and the spices and coffee plantation. Then we came to know about the people of Coorg, that they are possibly of the Greek or the Arabic descendant. And we also learnt that they used to wear a long black coat with an embroidered waist belt, which is known as kupia. Now it's a time to learn to know more about the Coorgis. Today I'm going to start my explanation from page number 91, point number 2. The people of the Coorg, they are well known for their bravery, and they are very welcoming and warm in nature. They love the hospitality, and they are more willing to tell their stories of bravery to the other people. They are always ready to entertain with stories of their ancestors, and they are well known to be independent, ferocious and brave. These are the qualities of the Coorgis, that they are independent, ferocious by nature and brave by nature, which can be proved with the fact that the Coorg regiment in the Indian Army has received the maximum number of awards for the bravery. Not only this, moreover, the first chief of the Indian Army, named General Cariappa, belonged to Coorg. And also these are the only people which are permitted that they can carry the firearms freely, and the other people, whereas the other people, they need a license to keep the firearms. Shows that the Coorgis are reliable too. Then in the next stanza, the author is telling us about the river. In this stanza, the author is telling us the evergreen forest and the hills of the Coorg, it provide the water to river Kaveri, which we all know that is a major river of South India. In that river, a large freshwater fish, which is Mahasir, is also found, and which is looked for by the birds. Here the kingfisher is a bird who skimmed on the water for its prey, and its prey is that Mahasir fish. Not only the birds and the fishes enjoy here, but also that squirrels and the langurs, they also play in these waters by throwing half-eaten fruits, whereas elephant, they enjoy bathing in it, and where the mahots means who are the keeper of the elephant, they scrub them in the river. Shows that all the animals, all the birds, they also enjoyed over here. If we talk about the tourists who visit the Coorg to relax in the natural beauty, they can also get attracted towards the various adventure sports activities also here. Like there are the many sports activity available here, like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain climbing. Not only this, but also the various paths are formed by the walkers, by the footsteps who trek over here. People enjoy sports activity over here. Not only this, but while taking a walk in their region, we may find a variety of animals over here. Birds, bees, butterflies, they fly around us, while squirrel and langurs, they keep an eye on us from the trees. They peeped on us, they looked on us when we are roaming and when we used to take a walk in this region. Wild animals can also be found in the Coorg. The author tells us, but if we want to enjoy, if we want to have an overall look at the beautiful city of Coorg, we must climb up to the Brahmagiri hills. It gives us the panoramic view of the Coorg, of this landscape of Coorg. Then the author tells us that Coorg is surrounded by island of Nisgardhama and Balikuppi, which is the India's largest Tibetan settlement. Buddhist monks can also be found here. They used to wear red, orange and yellow colored garments, which can be also found in the district of Coorg. And their lifestyle is very much surprising for the visitors, for the travelers, and in this way this is a very beautiful city which is a mixture of diverse culture, and it represents the heart and soul of India. And it here it's not end. There are many more surprises waiting at the Coorg for the tourists to be discovered. So dear students, in today's class we learnt about that the Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated regiment in the Indian Army. Then we learned Coorgis, or you can say Kodavus, are the only people in India who permitted to carry firearms without a license. Then we learnt about the river Kaveri, which begins from the hills and the forests of the Coorg. Variety of plants, birds and animals can also be seen here. Then we learnt that this place offers a number of adventure sports for the tourists. And the Tibetan monks are amongst many surprises that can be seen here. This is all about the Coorg which we learnt. And one more important information, after listening the beauty of the Coorg, if you want to go to the Coorg can be reached by the road or by the rail, but if one prefers to go by air, then the nearest airports are Bangalore and Mangalore. By road it is around 250 to 260 kilometers from Bangalore.